All right, so let's learn how to read a graduated cylinder. So kind of the first step here is to figure out what your scale is. So you want to look at the major lines, and they're going to have numbers right above them usually. And you got to determine how many little spaces is in between these numbered major lines. So in this case, we got 10 little spaces in between 40 and 50. So this one's easy. Each little step here is going to be 1 milliliter. That one's straightforward. Let's look at a little more of a challenging one. So here we got major lines listed here as 190, and then it jumps up to 210. And again, we have 10 spaces, but instead, now we have 10 spaces covering 20. So that leaves every little step up here as 2 milliliters. So you got to kind of just figure out the scale, what you're dealing with. The scale is also written at the top of every graduated cylinder, so you can look at that as well. All right, we got at the top of your liquids, we have something called a meniscus. And if you're using water, the meniscus is going to be kind of bubbling downward like this. So at the sides, it's going to kind of be going up. So it's kind of like this bubbling effect at the surface of the liquid. The rule is you got to read at eye level. When you read a graduated cylinder, you got to read at eye level, and you want to read the mark that's at the bottom of that meniscus. So here, there's a top line. Don't read there. You want to read right there at the bottom of the meniscus at eye level. So this one, you can notice that this is one line. The meniscus is kind of spanning here, but the bottom of it is closest to one line above 20, and of course our scale is 1 milliliter per increment, so the reading here is 21.